Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic of CMOS fabrication. So already we have seen the fabrication of NMOS fabrication. So in NMOS fabrication, we have seen how we are defining the regions and how we are diffusing the impurities into the substrate. And photoresist material, masking process, diffusion process, and everything we have seen in the basic concept, that is NMOS fabrication. And coming to the CMOS fabrication, there are number of approaches for doing the CMOS fabrication. So in that approaches, there are mainly like a P-well, N-well, twin tub, and silicon on insulator process. These are the four major process we are having in CMOS fabrication, that are P-well process, N-well process, twin tub process, and silicon on insulator process. These are the four process we are having in CMOS fabrication. So here the P-well process, it is widely used in practice, and N-well process is also popular. And here coming to P-well process, in our syllabus we are having only P-well process and N-well process. So coming to here P-well process, if we see the figures, what we are having here, 4 figures. This is what the fabrication steps of the P-well process. So we have seen the fabrication steps of NMOS fabrication. So we are having some steps. Similarly here also for CMOS fabrication, the CMOS fabrication is done by so many types. In that, one of the thing is P-well process. So this P-well process fabrication steps are these 4. So figure 1.9, it shows the CMOS P-well process steps. In CMOS P-well process steps, there are 4 figures we are having here. Here mainly the structure, it consists what? First, the N-type substrate, in which the P devices will be formed by some masking and diffusion. And here the deep P-well is diffused into the N-type substrate. Deep P-well is diffused into the N-type substrate. And here what happen, while we are doing diffusions or anything, here it must be carried out with some special care, because whenever we are diffusing the P-well into the N-type substrate, what happens, that will affect the P-well doping will affect P-well doping, or its depth will affect the threshold voltages as well as the breakdown voltages of these N-type transistors. That's why we have to, whenever we are diffusing the P-well into this N-type substrate, so it must be carried with some special care. And here what happens is, whenever mainly the threshold voltages and breakdown voltages of the N-type transistor should not affect while diffusing this P-well into the N-type substrate. And also to achieve these low threshold voltages and low breakdown voltages, mainly some range, like low threshold voltage means we are having some range like 0.6 volts to 1.0 volts. So for that, to achieve the low threshold voltages, we are having 2 conditions to satisfy that. That is, we need either deep well diffusion or high well resistivity. We are having these 2 things. It must satisfy these 2 things. One is deep well diffusion or high well resistivity. So mainly deep well, when we are doing the deep well, what happens? It requires what? Larger spacing. That is, there will be a larger spacing between N-type and P-type transistors, and also it occupies the larger chip area. So that's why deep well diffusion we doesn't prefer more. So, or high well resistivity. And we are having some 8 steps of masking process to get the CMOS P-well process steps. And these are the steps here. The steps defines what? Means mask 1. What in this process, mask 1, what we are doing is, first one, deep P-well diffusion must be takes place. And second mask process, what we are doing is, we are defining the Thin-ox regions. In second figure we are seeing defining the Thin-ox regions. So thin ox regions, we are defining thin ox regions means thick oxide must be strip off, and to grow what accommodate some p and n transistors ni diffuse cheyadaniki thick oxide edaithe untundo strip off cheyali. మాస్క్ త్రీలో ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే ప్యాటర్న్ ద పాలిసిలికాన్ లేయర్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద థిన్ ఆక్సైడ్. థర్డ్ ఫిగర్లో మనం పాలిసిలికాన్ లేయర్ వేసాము. తర్వాత మాస్క్ 4లో ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, మాస్క్ 3 స్టెప్ 3లోనే మనము మాస్క్ 4 ఏం చేస్తామంటే P+ మాస్క్ పెడతాం. P+ మాస్క్ పెట్టడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇట్ డిఫైన్స్ ఆల్ ఏరియాస్ వేర్ P డిఫ్యూషన్స్ టు టేక్స్ ప్లేస్. P డిఫ్యూషన్స్ కావాలి అన్నప్పుడు P+ మాస్క్ పెట్టాలి. N డిఫ్యూషన్స్ కావాలి అన్నప్పుడు నెగిటివ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ P+ మాస్క్ పెడితే N డిఫ్యూషన్స్ వస్తాయి. సో థర్డ్ ఫిగర్లో చూస్తే మనము P+ మాస్క్ పెట్టాం కాబట్టి సో P డిఫ్యూషన్స్ని మనం చేసాం. అండ్ ఫోర్త్ ఫిగర్లో చూస్తే ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ P+ మాస్క్ పెట్టాం కాబట్టి N డిఫ్యూషన్స్ చేసాం. So when the N diffusions and P diffusions have been takes place, whenever it is completed, next we have to define the contact cuts. After defining the contact cuts, a metal layer pattern will be defined on the mask metal layer. From that metal we will be taking the connections. These are the total 8 mask steps. We are having. So, and coming to here, this is total 8 mask steps we are having in a P-well process. And coming to N-well process, we are having here we are having the CMOS fabrication in 2 types, that is one P-well process and N-well process in our syllabus. So coming to N-well process, this is a complete CMOS P-well inverter which is showing the VDD and VSS substrate connections also, and this is CMOS P-well inverter. And coming to the N-well process, we are having some steps here, and here the P-well process, it is widely used, and N-well CMOS circuits also superior to P-well, and it is also having the lower substrate bias effect and lower parasitic capacitance effects between the source and drain regions. And here these are the some steps we are having in the N-well process, the same similar like P-well process. And if you see the figure also, here we are having the N-well cross sectional view similar to the P-well, but the substrate here it is P substrate, there N substrate. So coming to the steps here, we are having similar same first formation of N-well regions. First we have to diffuse a deep N-well, and next again we have to define the NMOS and PMOS active areas, and next thin ox regions define cheyali, that is thick oxide must be strip off, and next polysilicon layer deposit cheyali. Tarvata P+ diffusion use chesi we have to define the N diffusion, P+ diffusion use chesi P diffusions cheyali, N+ diffusion use chesi N type transistors ni diffuse cheyali, and next contact cuts define cheyali, and next deposit and pattern the metal ni pattern chesesi akkadi nunchi cuts nunchi bonding pads, ఓవర్ గ్లాస్ విత్ కట్స్ ఫర్ బాండింగ్ ప్యాడ్స్, అక్కడి నుంచి మనం వైర్ కనెక్షన్స్ తీసుకుంటాం. సో సిమిలర్ సేమ్ స్టెప్స్ ఫర్ N-well అండ్ ద P-well ప్రాసెస్. అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద క్రాస్ సెక్షనల్ వ్యూ ఆఫ్ ద N-well CMOS ఇన్వర్టర్. సో CMOS ఫ్యాబ్రికేషన్ అంటే మీరు ఏం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలంటే N-well యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ P-well, సో విత్ స్టెప్స్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ద క్రాస్ సెక్షనల్ వ్యూ, దిస్ బోత్ మస్ట్ బి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. అండ్ ఇన్ N-well ప్రాసెస్ there will be some latcher problems that can be easily reduced by using some low resistivity p-type substrate material, and because and also this it is having the very low resistance ground plane to collect all the substrate currents. And for P-well, for N-well we are having, for P-well we are having what deep well diffusion and high well resistivity. Here we are having some latcher problems that will be reduced by low resistivity material which we are taking under P substrate to collect the substrate currents. So these are the CMOS fabrication, that is P-well process as well as the N-well process. Thank you.